Hello everyone. Today I'll speak about self-sponsorship again. I have done so many videos about self-sponsorship, but I think nowadays lots of clients is coming to me. Some of them are doing post-study work. Some of them their license may be revoked, so they are trying to do self-sponsorship, but they come very late. Some of them visa getting expired in next month or within 2 months, but they haven't started the business yet. So that times we find difficulty to do a license application by setting up a business and within 1 month bank statement. So my advice would be, please come to us well ahead of your visa expiry, at least minimum 6 months before your visa expiry. If you come to us and discuss with our team, our sales team, our accountants team, our business analyst team, and talk to your plan, then we can find a way. Then we can talk to you how your business can generate money, how much turnover your business can generate, and whether this turnover can pay your salary itself. Because nowadays home office want to see whether there is a genuine need of this business, sponsored worker in this business, whether business can afford to pay the sponsored worker salary. That's the most important part. So business plan and cash flow is not enough. Genuine business, genuine turnover, and business affordability is very important. So we can advise you all of those. Every day we do so many license application and we know how it works. But to do this, we need help from you. Come early before your visa expires, rather than don't come just a month before, and it's very difficult for us. That's why my advice would be prepared. Whatever your plan, come to us. We'll discuss with you. We'll give a plan how to go ahead with this. We'll do all the way from collecting the documents, from preparing yourself for a business, and then all the requirement to license application. Then after the license application, the recruitment, course, visa service, everything. Whole bundles we'll do, but all we need from you well ahead of time to come to us, discuss with your business plan to our sales team and business analyst, then we'll help you out. Thank you very much.